Your company's business model will be a visual representation on how you operate and deliver value to your customers. Or in other words, it could also be perceived as a way of making a profit. And to understand your business model, many companies will use a business model canvas, as seen on screen now, where this will include key components such as your key partners, which you can see on the left here, which are basically any type of stakeholder that helps your company operate on a daily basis, such as your suppliers, your distributors, or even your technology providers as well. As you can see here, the business model canvas will also include your value proposition in the middle here, which will describe what is unique about your business and why your customers actually choose you over your competitors. And you can see to the right here, you will also clearly identify the specific groups of customers that you aim to target or reach. So as we can see then, a business model provides a holistic view of how a company will operate and create value for its customers. And because we have a clear understanding of how our business operates, we are now in a better position to adapt to any new change in market dynamics and making informed strategic decisions, especially around the likes of technology and artificial intelligence, which we will take a closer look at here today. So, artificial intelligence really has the potential to disrupt traditional business models across many different industries and sectors by introducing new opportunities for innovation and growth. And for your company, through leveraging AI and creating new business efficiencies and capabilities, effectively, you could rethink or readjust your business model and really reconsider how you operate. And I believe this is so important when it comes to consistent growth within your own business environment, and how you could really use AI as an opportunity to outweigh or outgrow your competitors through adapting to new technology and a culture of continuous improvement. And it's most important to mention, this is why it's important that we as business leaders must be open to change, because if we want to act in a way that shows a high level of service to our customers, then we may have to adapt and shift the way we operate at times, as the business environment is always shifting and technology is one of the biggest reasons to this. And we could probably say that the adoption of attractive AI business models could bring more challenges for us, but inevitably it will help us as organisations to move forward in the right direction. And once you understand AI's future potential and transformative role within your business, the next step is to run your operations around a dedicated AI business model, where we can see those digital first businesses that are operating today are really understanding this. And these are the types of businesses today that are succeeding. So now we understand the importance of considering AI and how it can disrupt our business model. Let's take a look at some of the ways AI might actually do this. And the first example is through automation and operational efficiency, where when we consider our business model, it is all about how our company operates. And AI technologies, such as the likes of robotic process automation and machine learning, can automate repetitive and general daily tasks which you perform within your business each day. And in doing so, this will allow you to reduce the human error and improve operational efficiency within your own business, leading to further cost savings, faster turnaround times, and increased productivity. AI could also lead to improvements in customer experience, where it enables businesses to gather and analyse vast amount of data, customer data, allowing them to personalise products or services based on their needs. And by using AI, effectively your business can understand customer preferences and behaviours, allowing you to deliver targeted recommendations and customised experiences, where you can really tailor your offerings, which in return will lead to enhanced customer satisfaction and loyalty. So you can really see here from these first two examples that AI-led business models open new opportunities for new revenue streams, and you could really use artificial intelligence to offer your business a new opportunity for that growth. And AI can be used in different ways, such as the likes of subscription-based services, or even creating new AI-powered products or platforms, opening up more opportunities for innovation and differentiation. Within ProfileTree, we really strive of looking at AI when it comes to digital transformation, where we offer support and services in around digital transformation and the implementation of new technology to your business, such as artificial intelligence, where we look at different factors of your business, such as your people, your processes, and then the technology itself, understanding all areas of your business through a transformation and making sure that we cover all these areas to make sure that you reach improved efficiency and high productivity. So if you do need any guidance and support in around implementing the likes of artificial intelligence towards your business environment, make sure and reach out to us and we would be more than happy to help you with this. Where we have looked at the likes of AI algorithms, which could allow you to analyse complex data sets and receive informed trends and insights that you might not have seen before. And in return, this will allow you to make data-driven decisions while optimising your business processes, which is two key aspects for any business who wants to scale and reach new levels. So as I mentioned there, AI is the key to optimization, where we could look at AI in terms of optimizing your supply chain operations, allowing you to manage your inventory more effectively, and actually predict any maintenance failures that could be coming in the future, which of course in return will lead to cost reductions and improve responsiveness. So there are many ways to go about this type of digital transformation, but it's important that you really analyse your business before actually understanding what type of artificial intelligence you actually need. As every business is different and we all operate in different ways, so there are always ways to improve our operations and how we can reach and deliver value to our customers. But it's really down to how you really analyse your business and your needs. And I hope when we considered in the context of a business model canvas, you were able to see where AI might filter into this, where we saw it's capable of helping you create more value for your organisation and customers. And through AI, you can better understand the cause and effect of various business elements and have a better shot at creating value for your customers. And I think when it comes to value creation, it really does come down to the right business choices, where AI can really help speed up the process of achieving your goals. And even continuing looking at the business model canvas in terms of the channels section, you can also create more value by using AI to deliver targeted ads and increasing your company's organic traction. Or let's say you want to focus on the areas of customer segments. You could also use AI to receive in-depth information and research around consumer preferences and your overall target audience. So with that said then, I think the right AI business model can really help your company determine potential revenue streams and extract value from the marketplace. And in summary, the AI business model works as a growth driver. And just to emphasize, again, it is imperative to know what and how AI can provide you an opportunity. And just before I close up, if you do need the support of ProfileTree to analyse your business needs and point out the areas of your business that you're performing daily and might be taking you just a little more time than it probably should, then collaboratively we can look at AI and how we can adopt this to improve these areas. And through the implementation of new technology, you will be able to grow and scale and effectively achieve a competitive edge. That is the end of today's video. Thank you very much for watching and have a brilliant day.